welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a spring clothing haul, and I don't do many of these type of videos on my channel, although I go shopping a little bit more than I would like to admit. I want to sort of frame my wardrobe into something that represents me in the age that I am now, because I am no longer 18, but I like comfortable pieces, and I've been thinking about getting clothes that I can go to work with because I spend all of my time at work, unfortunately. If you know from a video that I made maybe last year, I want to say now, I've also been on a minimalistic journey. I said I wasn't gonna buy anything. So I'm going to show you what I got recently. They're all from one store, so it's a little bit boring, but I really love Dynamite. One thing about me, I'm an online shopper. I don't always go to the mall. I get all of my clothes online. If I don't like them, I return them. I'm that person that makes sure wherever I buy my clothes, they have a really good, lenient return policy. So I just literally sit at work, buy clothes, and if I don't like it, I should be back. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So the first piece that I got is this simple V-neck tank top. I like the little detailing in the front and the back as well. I also love the fit. So it's a nice relaxed fit. It doesn't accentuate the waist because, my waist is not looking like what I want it to look yet because I've been hitting the gym. But I like pieces that are flowy like this because you can tuck it in, you can leave it out, and it's white. So I can literally wear this with basically anything in my closet. Moving on to this blazer. So this is a striped navy blue, well, let me get it together. Navy blue blazer, so it looks like this. I wasn't sure about this one because sometimes I find that with me, I don't know if it's just my body type. I have a short midsection, so I find that it's hard for me to find blazers that fit me well and that are long enough, because I don't like them to be really short. I don't want them to accentuate the fact that I'm already short. So this is actually the perfect length. I also love the detail on the sleeve. So it has this elastic detailing that's cinched in the sleeves. So it looks really good when I have it on, And this is perfect. I can literally pop this two together, and here I have half an ounce. So moving on to this third piece, which I think I may actually return. It is this black maxi blazer. Originally when I saw it on the website, I thought that it was thicker. It's pretty thin and it's technically see-through. It is very long, and I got it for that purpose so I could sort of like throw on a cool spring night if I don't actually want to wear like a coat or anything like that. But on second thought, I think I may return it because long pieces like this, trench coats or just maxi blazers like that, they tend to swallow me and make me look shorter than I actually am. So I tend to stay away from those. But I was having a moment, I don't know why I thought that this would be different. But this is what it is, so I'm still debating whether I want to keep it or not. Ooh, and it was expensive too. Maybe I'll return it. By the way, all the pieces I got, they were 30% off. Although I love Dynamite pieces, I find that they can be quite pricey for what they really are. But anyways, that's beside the point. Alright, so the next thing I got is this sheer blouse. Mainly I got it for work, not because I want to show my tatas, but because I figured I could just put on a black tank top underneath and tuck it into my pants or a high-waisted skirt, and I think it'll be super chic at work. Pretty simple. It's a black polka dot blouse, but I think it's cute, so I got it. Alright, so that's it for the black dark pieces. Still in wearing all black mode. I have something with black. Anytime I'm going out, I just wear all black. So I'm trying to stay away from that, but black just keeps calling my name. Next one, it's still sort of black, but still has more or less colors in it, so I'll show you. So it's this jumpsuit. Oh my god, I love this. You guys have seen me wear it on Instagram, and I've taken a gazillion pictures in it. This jumpsuit is beautiful, and it fits me very well. Originally, I wanted to get an extra small. That's another thing with Dynamite that I like. Their sizing is very forgiving for skinny people like me. They didn't have an extra small, but they did have this extra small. It's not too wah-wah-boo in your face that it's spring, but I love the colors. And it just comes together beautifully. So This jumpsuit is one of my favorite pieces from my entire little shopping haul. And last but not least is this skirt. Now this is Bababoo in your face spring. This skirt is absolutely beautiful. It's a midi bodycon skirt. I'm actually gonna go back and exchange it for an extra small because I want it to actually be tighter on me. Skinny girl problems, right? Well, they also had a top on the website that I didn't get. That's a matching top to this skirt, so I may also go back and get that one because, you know, why not? Alright, so the last thing I got technically has nothing to do with spring, but as soon as I saw them, I just couldn't resist. I have this thing for boots and I need to stop because my shoe collection is looking like nothing but boots. Bam, bam, bam. Look at them. I honestly couldn't say no when I saw them. They're beautiful. They're really, really high though, so it's a stiletto type boot. But wow, I love the burnt orange color. I love the style. Everything about it I love. Oh my god. So 2 more things that I got, and they're not from Dynamite, and thank God, because this video started sounding like it was a sponsored video and it really isn't. I paid all of these things with my own money. Anyway, so these 2 things, I got them for free actually from Romwe. So I made a video on my channel already on Romwe, and I've tried a few of their sweaters and I really like them. I like the quality, and you know what? It's one of those really cheap and affordable clothing, and the quality is good. And it's even better than some of these Dynamite pieces, to be honest. The 2 things that I chose, and they just so happen to be black, and I'm sorry, but I told you I have something with black clothing. So it's a classic long sleeve top, and I really like it. The material is actually quite stretchy. I would definitely wear something underneath it. It's a little see-through, I would say. Like I said, they're very affordable and they're great. What else can you ask for? This second one you've seen me wear on Instagram if you are following me on there, and if you're not, you know, girl, you should go and follow me. It's this long tee, but it's shorter in the front than it is in the back. But I do love the fact that it has this slit on the side, because although it's oversized and it's big and it's long, you can still get that shape, you know? You can still show a little bit of curve. So this is why I love this one, and I don't regret getting these 2 pieces from Romwe. I just really wish they had a better name because it really doesn't roll off my tongue. Romwe, I don't know, it does. Anyways, but I love them. So if you're looking for easy, breezy, affordable pieces that are actually good quality, you should definitely check out their website. And I believe they're the same as Shein, because technically this tag says Shein on there. I think they're the same sister company. But alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Those are all the little things that I got. If you'd like to see more of this type of videos, or if you want to see me style this outfit, let me know in the comments below and I'll think about it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the support, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! I actually thought I was having such a bad hair day today until I put on some makeup, and I'm like, you know what, my hair isn't so bad. Maybe I can go another day before I wash it. What? It's okay, he'll come out and it'll be funny. Are you filming it?
Ready to go?
Ready to go. What time is it?
7:30. Ready to go. You gonna wash your hair? You gonna do anything?
No, I'm not gonna wash my hair. Alright, I'm up out of here. It's getting late and I need to get ready because I'm going out tonight. So, deuces.